Hey mama, welcome back. Today I am decluttering, cleaning, organizing, and restocking my refrigerator, and I would love for you to join me for some good cleaning and conversation. I have broken this down into 5 steps to make such a tumultuous task a very easy one for you. If you're new here, welcome home, and thank you for stopping by. I'm Quena ReChaud, and I'm excited to have you. If you enjoy this video today, please be sure to hit the like button. And if you love the vibes, please join the Mama Tribe and hit subscribe before you go. Let's get started. Okay, so as you can see, my fridge is just a mess. I have things everywhere, breast milk everywhere. There's no real organization here, so I decided that we need to do something about it. So step 1 is going to be to empty out the fridge. I'm going to throw out all of this old food. I'm going to throw out all of the things that have been sitting in the refrigerator for a long time that I probably have not paid much attention to. I'm only going to focus on the fridge today because there is not much in the freezer outside of breast milk. And since we only eat fruits and vegetables, we don't really put much in the freezer. So to be honest with you, the freezer looks pretty good. Now that we have everything out of the fridge, we could move on to deep cleaning the refrigerator because we do not want to reorganize it and put all that new food in it and it's still dirty. So I'm going to take everything out. I'm going to wash everything. I'm going to give it a good cleaning so that it looks nice and pretty when it's time to restock it. So let's talk about how long it took me to actually get around to doing this. I've always wanted my fridge to look organized. I've always wanted things to just be neat in the fridge. I will admit, a pet peeve of mine is a dirty fridge. I try my best to at least keep the crumbs to a minimum at best. But I've been seeing all these beautiful refrigerators on Instagram and Pinterest, and I really wanted to get mine to look like that one day. It's just the time, Mama. You know, we just don't be having time to do stuff. So I decided today was the day that I was going to take the time to get this done. I actually went grocery shopping as well so we can fully stock the fridge once we get everything cleaned up. So now that I'm done cleaning the drawers and shelves, I'm just going to clean the inside of the refrigerator. I'm not spraying anything but some Gain all-purpose cleaner, and I'm washing everything down with a soapy rag. I definitely feel like I want to work deep cleaning the refrigerator into my normal schedule, maybe do it once a month. I feel like it's very important. I love the way a clean refrigerator looks, but you know how it is. We get busy. The refrigerator is one of those things that kind of fall on the list of last priorities. So I think moving forward is definitely going to be something that I work into my normal schedule. Now that the refrigerator is nice and spick and span, we can move on to step 3, which is choosing the organizers. So I'm gonna be honest, I did not put a whole bunch of effort into choosing these since this is my first go round. I kind of wanted to try different types of containers first to see what works best. This will definitely be a work in progress. I'm going to see what I like as I go along. So what I did was I purchased these from Amazon. I got different sizes of the same type of organizer, as you can see. And then I have these little organizers right here that come as a package. They're different sizes, and there are 7 different containers, and they all have a lid. That's why I chose those. So I'm going to wash them first before I put anything in them, and then we're going to play Tetris with them and see how it works for our produce. Now that all the storage bins are clean, we're going to move on to step 4, which is to wash the food and fill the containers. If you're already part of the Hey Mama tribe, you already know we only eat fruits and vegetables in this household. And if you're new here, now you know. So you will not see me packaging any meat or anything of that nature. We only have fruits and vegetables. Currently, I shop weekly, so I do have quite a bit of fruits and vegetables to wash before we stock them in the refrigerator. And what I'm doing right now is pouring some white vinegar over top of them just to get, all the pesticides and things off of them. So in that blue bowl, I do have white vinegar, and then you're going to see me rinse the vegetables and fruits off with water. I don't have a real extreme process when it comes to cleaning them. It's just very general, white vinegar and water.
finally awake. I can finally see clearly.
Still finding my way around determining how to best store some of my produce in my particular refrigerator, but I do find that cutting the celery up actually is one good for me because I don't have to worry about plucking all the stuff that I don't want off when I do go to eat it, and two, it does seem to last quite a good amount of time in the refrigerator when I do it this way. I see a lot of people cut their carrots or even peel them before storing them in a refrigerator. I'm just going to store them as is because I'm trying to maximize its longevity. We'll see how this goes, and if it doesn't work, then hey, I'll try another method. But for right now, I'm going to try the safest method that I know, and then we can move on to experimenting later. washing that produce was a workout. So now we can move on to step 5 and we can put it all together. I have already put everything in the bins as I was washing it. So we're going to go ahead and load up the refrigerator and see how everything fits. If it doesn't fit, we'll just move things around so that it does fit, because I do have quite a bit of produce to put in here. So this is a fairly new refrigerator, and this was my first time taking out everything. And that drawer is very hard to put back in. I had a tough time trying to figure that out. I finally got it, but it was really hard. I thought I would break it. I tried to leave the top shelf as open as possible so that I could put those loose items up there, like my butters, my cream cheese, and my sauces and things like that. I am so satisfied with the turnout. It really does look so much better. I feel like I could access everything a lot better. Things seem so much more organized. And I don't know about you, but I work best when things are organized. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Tell me what you think about the finished product. Are you thinking of reorganizing your refrigerator, or have you already done so? If you have done so, what type of containers have you used? Because like I said, I'm still trying to fill these out. I don't necessarily know if I'm going to love them. I just have to see how they hold up over time. Thank you again for stopping by. As always, I enjoyed your company. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button before you leave. And of course, if you're feeling the vibes, please join the tribe and hit subscribe. I'll talk to you soon. Love you, mama. Peace.